Yes, I have started the recording. You can write your roll numbers. Right. So, as you know, in the last lecture, we have completed second unit. So today we will discuss the MCQs. Then what we'll do is I will create a link on which you can upload the assignment. Actually, from first and second unit combinedly, three tasks, three homework I have asked you to complete, and the same thing you can prepare in the form of PDF, and then you can upload it on the link which I'm going to create at the end of this lecture. Right. So you should be ready with the assignment. All those three tasks have to be uploaded in the PDF format. Right. So let's move ahead. I wanted to discuss this MCQ of second unit. I hope the screen is visible. Hello. Is it visible?
Yes.
Okay. Right. So these are the MCQs from second unit. And in that first MCQ is dash dash is a combination of hardware and software designed for dedicated function. So this is actually a definition of embedded system. So sensor, actuator, and microcontroller. These are the wrong answers. Correct answer is embedded system. The next we have is an embedded system is always what you can suggest here, a processor based or controller based or both A and B or none of the above. See, the thing is embedded system should be able to process the data and control the data. So your embedded system must be capable of processing and controlling the data. Hence the correct option here is both A and B. Then an embedded system is always single functioned, B multifunctioned, C both A and B, D none of the above. What is the answer?
A.
Correct. It is single functioned. Embedded system is a single functioned. Then we have an embedded system is option A, flexible with application requirement. Second, tightly constrained. Third, not constrained. Fourth, none of the above. Answer? See, there are okay,
A.
flexible with application requirement. No, the correct answer is tightly constrained because I told you there are some characteristics of embedded system in which the embedded system is very tightly constrained because there are limitations on various factors like the power amount of power consumed by embedded system, then amount of power used by peripherals, then amount of this thing time, duration of time required by embedded system. There are also some constraint like it should have fast processing. So speed is another constraint, and lot of such constraints are there associated with the embedded system. That's why we call it as a tightly constrained. We call it as a tightly constrained. It's not flexible with application requirement. It's not flexible with application requirement. It is tightly constrained. Can someone tell me what is the meaning of this in Marathi? Tightly constrained. Tightly constrained. What is Marathi meaning? मराठी meaning of this is निर्बंध. त्याच्यावरती खूप सारे निर्बंध किंवा रिस्ट्रिक्शन्स किंवा काय म्हणू शकतो आपण, खूप सारे बंधन त्याच्यावरती लावलेले असतात एम्बेडेड सिस्टीमवरती. यू डोंट हॅव फ्री स्कोप while designing. You have to reduce the size, you have to make it lightweight, you have to reduce the battery consumption, you have to decrease the speed, sorry, decrease the time delay, you have to increase the speed, you have to use good or you can say crystal oscillator of let's say MB megahertz per second, or let's say gigahertz per second. So lot of constraints are there associated with embedded system. Then embedded systems must be dash dash and dash dash. Option A, reactive and repulsive. Option B, reactive and real time. Option C, non reactive and real time. Option D, none. What is the correct option here?
B.
Can you repeat?
B.
Correct. Option B is a correct option. While discussing characteristics of embedded system, I told you this is another characteristic of embedded system. It has to be a reactive. That means if the action is happen, reaction must happen. That way we can call it as a reactive. And real time. Real time means as soon as the input is applied, it should be able to produce the output. So without any delay, without any lag, your embedded system should be able to generate the output. That is what called as a real time. So your embedded system must be reactive and real time. So option B is correct option. Then next one is, which of the following is component of an embedded system? Now here some of the options are: option A, application; option B, platform. Hello. सर्विस है. अच्छा. कौन स्टूडेंट का नाम क्या है? कौन से डिवीजन, अपने डिवीजन में थे? ओके ओके. Right. Just now, I received a call from URCC and heard very sad news about Sanjeevani. So, Madam will give you further instructions regarding the lectures and schedule. As per this instructions I received, there will not be a classes between 12 to 2. So, Madam will give you further instructions. I hope it is clear. So you are allowed to leave the meeting now. You are allowed to leave the meeting now. Mahua madam will give you further instructions. You are allowed to leave the meeting. There will not be a lecture during this 12 to 2.